asking my stupid question. Day 5.
Aha. Hmm. So what's up everyone? What's up Al? What's up everyone? So this is day 5 of asking myself a question. My future self a question before I turn 16 on May 20. So ang dami ko nang tatanong. Ngayon naman, tatanong ko, kamusta na ang faith mo, Allen? Kamusta ng pananampalataya mo? Ngayon, sabi ko, kilala ko na siya. Kilala ko ang Panginoon. Pero, more mysteries, marami pang mga misteryo. Gano'n naman pag nabubuhay. Napakalawak ng pwede natin ma-discover. Infinitely vast ang knowledge na pwede natin makuha kay God. And it's so beautiful. So my question is, how is your faith, Alan? And recently, it's been, I guess, I'm questioning myself if my life, if I am doing well, if I am doing a productive job, or making my life, making my time here efficiently or productively. So that's all. How is your faith?